gusto ko lang din i-bring up yung concept kasi napakalaking concept nito sa Philippine culture, di ba? Utang na loob. Mga utang na never mo mababayaran.
Nako.
Utang na loob.
Walang value.
Walang value yun eh. And siguro, tama naman na ang laki din talaga ng utang na loob natin sa parents natin. Tama naman, di ba? So sa
Yes.
tingin mo, paano mo ba mababayaran yung utang na loob na yun?
Parang
being-
hirap dun
Siguro really by being like a good daughter or son in general, willing to help, willing to be there for the family, but not to the extent na crossing like boundaries.
I just wanna
may
add to the question lang
limitations
din
pa
pala,
rin.
sorry. Tsaka, ano naman yung opinion mo about the concept of utang na loob dito sa Pilipinas?
I may say lang na yung utang na loob, that's what makes the Filipino culture beautiful. Kasi parang, in a sense, tulungan tayo eh. Na-notice ko yan sa industry natin, sa showbiz. Pag nasa set tayo, kahit makeup artist, kahit art rep, kahit director, kung may kailangan gawin, tutulong eh. Hindi yung, ay hindi ko gagawin yan. Talagang tulungan. Kumbaga, there's a passion in our hearts, there's that empathy that no matter what it is, we're willing to help. And siguro with that, limitation is key. Kasi pag sumusobra na, halimbawa, yung receiving end, parang ang dami na lang ini-expect sa'yo. Na at the same time, hindi nila alam sa sarili mo na parang too much na yun ah. Parang, yun lang kaya ko, di ba?
Meron din kasing parang negative yung yung utang na loob. Minsan kasi parang yung ibang tao porket kunwari tinulungan kita. Parang iniisip ko na pag kailangan ko ng tulong, tutulungan naman ako ni Cheska,
Yeah.
which is parang mali na ganun yung mentality.
Dapat kasi
Yeah, okay,
when
okay.
we're trying to help someone, we don't expect anything in return, please. Kumbaga, you are helping somebody because it also makes you happy. Pero not because you're expecting something from them in return. But
Tama.
oo, diba? And pag kayo din yung
Unless may
nasa-
usapan.
Oo.
Malinaw yung
Pero
usapan
kayo,
na, oy, ito ah.
Kasi parang masyado tayong malinis eh. May tinulungan na ba kayo na may ine-expect kayong babalik sa inyo?
Siguro, being young, especially if it comes to money, siguro parang may expectation ka din. Kasi at the same time, hindi pa tayo comfortable sa state natin eh. Kumikita tayo with our own hard work, right? So, yes, but ito talaga, halimbawa.
Gusto ko lang bring up kasi parang ang babait natin eh.
Oo,
pero
totoo yan.
pero totoo naman kasi meron naman kasi talaga.
Meron, at may share ako.
Go.
So may, kumbaga, nag-ask ng help sa akin, like financially. Oh, at first.
Your parents? Is that your parents?
No, not
this
family.
From, okay.
Oo.
Ah.
Pero, tawag dyan, nung una talaga nag-expect ako na, i-give back niya yung na yun, money na yun. Pero towards the end, parang hindi naman ako pinapansin.
So, tinaguan ka na?
Hindi naman tinaguan, pero alam mo yung parang wala na rin sa mind niya. I feel like tinulungan ko naman siya because it made me feel nice.
Na-experience ko din, Cheska. May
Yeah.
binenta ko sa
Okay,
isang tao.
Ito ba yung
Tapos,
sapatos?
No, naman ito. Wala namang hard feelings or anything. Pero parang for me, kulang yung bayad, right? So, may agreed price. Nag-agree kami. Talaga nag-usap kami. Ito babayaran, pero kulang. So, sabi ko, nakakalungkot eh. Kasi parang, shucks, sayang din yung earnings.
Dapat kaliwang paala yung binigay mo.
Oh, yun na nga eh. Joke lang.
Down payment.
Down muna tayo.
Nag-down payment.
Oo,
Okay,
tapos
salamat.
kaliwa
Installment
muna.
lang.
tas- Tama. Pero for me kasi parang sinabi to sa amin ni Yorme na you have to also think about your position. Na blessed ka na you're in the position to give. Hindi ikaw yung humihingi. Kasi minsan, you never know, anything can happen, right? Na tayo naman yung humihingi. And there needs to be people out there that are willing to give, willing to help, share their blessings. And I really believe talaga na if you share your blessings, more blessings will come your way. Na we have to be nice. Kasi kawawa din naman tayo pag tayo na yung humihingi, di ba?
Tsaka the word tulong kasi in a sense na, again, tama yung sinabi ni Cheska, pag tumulong ka, it has to come from a good place, which is
In good faith.
in good faith, na tumulong ka for the sake na kaibigan kita, gusto ka tulungan, kaya siya bumalik yan o hindi, it shouldn't be my concern anymore. Kung bumalik yun, then, tulad ng sinabi mo, I guess you're rewarded by the universe or whatever. Pero at the end of the day, hindi naman tayo tumutulong dahil hinahabol natin yung reward eh. Hinahabol natin nun is, you're my friend or family, in this case, in this particular topic, and that's all that matters.
Comes from the heart.
Comes from the heart.